Good morning, Clay.Thompson here at Guaranty RV Center. Today I'm going to show you a very fresh trade on a pre-owned 2010 Arctic Fox 990 truck camper. Come on in, let me show you. This one here is going to have the Fox landing, 2010. We got this step that folds down, this step that folds up, access to the Joey tray there, power awning out the back, roof ladder, folds up. It's got the 2500 watt generator on board. Come on inside. This is going to have our dinette that makes into a 6-foot bed. Nice window on the side there for view. Refrigerator is in the slide. Arctic Fox makes these all a full wall slide, so we get the refrigerator and the dinette that pushes out into the slide, so it gives us plenty of open room here in the kitchen area. This one has the optional wardrobe option up in the bed area that gives us wardrobe through the whole curb side of the camper for wardrobe. Very, very nice, very rare to find. Fantastic fan above the bed. Cabinetry throughout on the driver's side. It's got the TV on board. This has got solar. I said the generator earlier. It's got the DVD, AM, FM, CD player all in one right here. Gen switch, control panels for hot and cold, or excuse me, gas and electric hot water heater. Nice big double sink. Pull out faucet with spray nozzle. Overhead cabinetry. Got the dimmer switch here for our kitchen area. Overhead microwave. Hood range. 3-burner cooktop. Nice big oven. Drawers inside here. Storage underneath the sink. Extension that will go here to access more counter space when we're using the cook area. Big pull-out pantry. It's going to have the roof air conditioning. Fixed pantry down below. All linoleum floor, easy to keep clean. Nice big wet bath with skylight. Very, very nice. Little cleanup. This thing should look very, very nice and be ready for sale. I just wanted to get it out there because to find a good clean one like this, I want to get it on the net so everybody knows it's available. LP quick disconnect out the back end. The Arctic Fox, Silver Fox Edition, aluminum superstructure. Full aluminum cage on this one, so very sturdy. When you look on their website, it shows like 36 people on the roof nowadays. Big corner jacks, big propane tanks. We got 2 7-gallon tanks. Gives us 14 gallons of propane in a truck camper. Almost unheard of. Outside plug-ins, shore cord. Big Group 27 battery on a pull-out tray. Outside shower. Fill connection there for your water. Gas and electric water heater. Nice big overhead queen bed. This already has the topper on the slide out. Storage outside underneath the booth dinette area here. Gives us access as well. So just another nice fine trade-in that come in. Wanted to get it out there. Northwood, very hard to find good, clean, used ones on the net. Usually once they hit the net, they go very quickly. So this one's priced very, very nicely for a 2010 fully loaded truck camper. So if you want to get at it, make sure you contact me. My name is Clay.Thompson with Guaranty RV Center in Junction City, Oregon. We carry the Arctic Fox brand new, in case you're looking for a new one as well. Been carrying the product since 1993. So feel free to give me a holler. Be happy to help and assist with any of your RV needs. You can reach me direct at 541-979-1770. Thank you and have a great day.